Once you have decided to create a website, you need at least three things: the website, domain, and web hosting. The most important thing of any web projects is the domain. This is the name of your website on the web. You should choose a suitable name before you start developing site design and layout. Once the domain is chosen and registered, you need to focus on web pages and content. An elegant solution for the website is one of free content management systems, CMS, like WordPress or Joomla. All you have to do is to install chosen CMS, select and install a suitable template, and you are ready to create first pages. You will probably develop the website offline on your home web server. When it will be finished and ready for publishing, you will upload it to the real web server. To do this, you need a hosting account. Choosing web hosting is not easy because the competition is huge and there are many similar cheap offers. The main objective should be reliability, features, and support. The price is important but not as the first criteria. After reading few reviews and recommendations, you will choose one company. You will have to choose a suitable plan with needed features, enter primary domain and payment details. The account will be created and you will get all technical details including IP address of the web server. Now you are ready to transfer local web files to the hosting server. But before you will be able to use a new domain, you should create a DNS record to connect the domain with the IP address of the recently created hosting account. The next step is uploading locally created website including any database to the hosting web server. Usually this is done by transferring all files via FTP, which is a standard access to hosting directory and files. There are two possible ways of storing files. If you are creating a website for the primary domain, you should upload files to the root public directory of your hosting account. However, if you have created add-on domains, then you will have one subdirectory for each domain. Those subdirectories are root directories for additional domains, and this is the place where you should store the files. Creating databases and transferring data needs special application called FMI-admin. Usually it is accessible from the hosting control panel and should be used to create databases and to import data from local web server. The first step is to create a new database, then you should export local data and import it at the hosting server. In general it is that simple, but you should check details for your particular case. After all the files and databases are transferred and the DNS records have propagated over the internet, you will have a live website. From the user perspective, there is no difference between main domain and add-on domains. However, it is very important which hosting you choose. HostGator is one of the reliable and user-friendly hosting companies with excellent support. It is also one of the top 10 web hosting companies in the world. If you need to host many domains, HostGator can offer cheap plans with unlimited domains, disk space, databases, and bandwidth.